Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom in on your videos using CapCut without sacrificing any of that crisp, high-definition quality. If you're worried that getting up close and personal with your footage might turn it into a blurry mess, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll understand not only how to use CapCut's position and scale controls for clean, sharp zooms, but also why some simple settings can make a huge difference in your final exported video. Let's dive right in. The process I'm going to walk you through works exactly the same way whether you're editing on CapCut for PC or on your mobile device, so no matter what you're using, you'll be able to follow along. The very first thing you want to do is select the specific clip you want to zoom in on, right in your timeline. Just tap or click on it, so it's highlighted. This may sound trivial, but it's worth emphasizing. If you ever find that the controls aren't showing up, double-check that you've actually selected the right clip. It's a common beginner hiccup. Once your clip is selected, look over to your editing panel. You're searching for either the video or the basic tab. The naming might differ a bit based on your version, but they serve the same purpose. Underneath that, you'll spot the controls labeled Scale and Position. These are your main tools for zooming and framing. Let's pause for a second and talk about what these do. The scale slider is exactly what it sounds like. Increasing it will zoom into your video, making everything appear larger. But remember, you're not stretching the video or distorting it. You're actually cropping in closer, sort of like you're moving a camera closer to your subject. This is important because it means you're not distorting proportions or warping the image, just focusing on the parts that matter. Right next to Scale, you'll find position sliders, usually marked X and Y. These let you nudge the frame left, right, up, or down. If you've ever used Google Maps and drag to pan around, it's basically that concept. After you've zoomed in, use these to center your subject, or highlight the exact portion of the frame you want audiences to focus on. Now, here's the key to avoiding that dreaded pixelation, or image blur, when you export. If your original footage is high resolution, say it's shot in 4K, which means 3840 by 2160 pixels, and you plan to export your final video in 1080p, or 1920 by 1080 pixels, you've got room to zoom. In simple terms, you can safely zoom in up to 200% without losing quality. Why? Because even after zooming, you're still displaying enough pixels to fill a full HD frame. So CapCut isn't forced to make up missing detail, which is often where quality loss kicks in. If you're not sure what resolution your source footage is, just right-click or tap and hold your media outside CapCut and check its properties. This can give you peace of mind and help you avoid pushing the zoom too far. And don't worry, if you lose sharpness, it's a quick fix. Just dial the scale back until the preview looks crystal clear again. So to recap, select your clip, head to the Video or Basic tab, use the Scale slider to zoom, adjust your position with the X and Y sliders, and double-check your export settings to make the most of that high-res footage. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll keep your zooms sharp and professional in CapCut every time. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. And if you've got any questions or run into a tricky spot, drop a comment below. I'll help out as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, effective editing tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.